Good morning, good afternoon, India. I hope you people are prepared for the today's session as it is a case, so you need to be go through the proper study, then only it is possible. I had to me okay, just a minute. WhatsApp भी करना है. Yes, what about the preparation? In the last session, if you remember correctly, we finished the theoretical portion, or you can say the topics in a case. Okay, so today we can start directly through the case. Now, first of all, let me know how many of you are ready or prepared. So I will skip the videos and directly jump to the questions, or we have to go through the videos just to refresh and then have a question answer. Neha is ready, Manish is ready, and Himza is also ready. What about others? Quickly respond in the chat. Please be quick in responding so that we will save our time for other discussions. I hope my voice is equally getting to everyone. I got response from 5 people only, 4 people, not even the 4. Imja, Neha, and Manish, 3 only. What about others? I am asking about your readiness towards the case. Have you gone through it or not? Type Y or N. 3 already responded. Akash, okay. Smith, good. So 5, still I am waiting for more than 20 candidates to respond. So I will wait for a minute only, and then I will close the chatting and I will take this chatting as a attendance. So although you are 26, but only 6 or 7, I will treat it as a attendees of the session. That's the only better idea. So I will stop the chatting, so you will not be in a position to put your enrollment number, marks or any other thing. So only these people will call as a present today. Okay, now you are awaking. आदत ही हो गई है धमकी वाली यार तुम लोगों की। प्यार से बात करो, समझ में ही नहीं आता है। नहीं, प्यार से 5 मिनट से बोल रहा हूँ, समझ ही नहीं आ रहा किसी को। अभी भी कंप्लीट रिस्पांस नहीं है। मिहिर जी का क्या हुआ भाई? मिहिर जी को मैं नोट करके रख लूँ उनका स्टेटस कि ये सिर्फ अटेंडेंस डालने आए थे और चले गए हैं, ताकि मैं इनको आज की अटेंडेंस में एब्सेंट मार्क कर सकूं। ठीक है, ओके। मिहिर, ओके ओके, I will deal with it in a different manner. Good. Everyone has gone through the case. That's a extraordinary performance. Good. So everyone has said yes, so there is no. Okay. Herself has also left the meeting. So in the meanwhile, I will try to strategize something through which we can take the attendance of the day. Good. No issues. I am skipping the videos and directly jumping to the question and answer. Okay. So now I will name the person and they will unmute and turn on their video, and then we have a discussion. So it is start from 017 Pari. Pari, turn on your audio.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, sorry, I won't be able to turn on the video currently because I'm not actually at home. But like, I'll be able to speak.
Things are not acceptable. Still, you just answer the question.
Okay, sir.
So for what you are waiting?
Yeah, so the answer for the first one is like they help deliver the packages, and they connect to the drivers, and it helps them track and deliver the packages to the people.
How? That's already written in the question itself, so that anybody can reiterate it.
Through the DIAD, the Delivery Information Acquisition Device that connects the drivers to the UPS system.
And
Uh,
Akshit, what do you want to add into in it? 38 Akshit Mehta. Oh, Akshit is gone. Good. Gautam ji. Good. Zeal. 10. Zeal. Zeal Sureja. Zeal Sureja. Zeal Sureja. Okay. Gautam. Akshit. 38. Akshit Mehta. Akshit. Mahir. 49. Mahir. Mahir. Darshak. चलो गया. Yes, Raj. Yes, Raj. Yes, Raj. Rutvi. 5001 Rutvi. Rutvi Faldo. Rutvik. 042 Dhruv. Five double zero one Ritvik. Ritvik. Five double zero two Vishwa.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What you want to add in the statement of Pari related to this question number 1?
Sir, I am not aware about the first question.
Everyone mentioned yes, they are prepared to my first question.
Yes, sir, but I am not actually aware about it.
No, so if you are prepared, that means you have the idea. The question is not beyond the content which I supplied to you. You have gone through the content, 100% you may have certain views.
Like, sir, in that question, it was developed to the first industry, like technology was developed. And
You just let me know how many times you have gone through the PDF, that case, page, 2 pages of case. How many times you have gone through it?
once only.
Once. How many times you watched the 3 videos?
Sir, I have not watched all the videos. I have watched only one
Not
video.
all the videos is not that, only 3 videos were there. And that too maximum of 10 minutes. 1 minute, 3 minutes and 4 minutes something with certain seconds, but ultimately it's under the 10 minutes.
Sir, I will watch today and I will give answer.
Day is already over. day is already over, Vishwa. It is from 18th of January, uploaded on the Google Classroom, and many times requested that you have to be prepared. And I was waiting for the particular day when we will discuss. Okay, 5008 Mahek. Mahek. 5008 Mahek. Yashvi 5001. 5011. Yashvi. Yashvi. Five zero double one Yashvi. 5013 Neha.
Yes, sir. Good
Yes.
afternoon, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, in the first answer, how does the date help drivers packages? It was given that standing behind the UPS delivery people, they were all familiar in their brown trucks in the army of 3 lakh people who operate their systems, and they used to use the smart technology in 2016 for the delivery things. And sir,
Okay.
it was also mentioned that 18 million packages were daily transferred to almost 220 countries and
Revisit to
union.
the question first. Neha, first read the question
Yes, sir.
and your limit your answer related to the question.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Just a minute, sir. Yes, sir. It was given that the first portion which I said, that behind the UPS delivery people uh, in the brown truck army, 3 lakh people who operate the systems.
Hmm.
And they used to use the smart technology.
Hmm. What else?
Then, sir, it was also given that it maintains a fleet of 95,000 delivery vehicles and 230 aircrafts worldwide.
Again, I will suggest you read the question first. How does the diet help drivers deliver packages? And I'm two times I said, limit your answer related to the question. Diet helps drivers deliver packages. Manish,
Yes, sir.
yes.
Sir, may I answer? Sir, DIAD is a database and is indispensable tool for drivers. Sir, the reason for the same is it opens a
Diet
window.
is a database or a device?
Sir, in the case study, this line is taken from the
I'm
case
just
study.
asking to you, diet is a database or a device?
Sir, DIAD is a device, but the data it
Okay.
is collected from there and it is sent to the, it is means it is two-way communication. It is sent to the center and center sends information in the diode.
Okay, now answer the question.
Yes, sir.
How does that diode help drivers?
Yes, sir. It opens a window to the driver's dispatch plan, stop by stop along the route. A driver has the
Okay.
detailed information on his fingertips, such as number of packages per stop, shelf locations, delivery commitment alerts in terms of timing. If the route needs to be changed, the dispatches can be download information directly to the driver's diode. It has the diode has also a display customized instructions for package pickups, and in the diode file the addition is that it has touch screen so that customers can drivers can offer the diode to place the diode in front of customers, and customers can sign it on it.
Okay. Now, so it covers almost all. Now, based on this detailed, you can say the information available in the case and narrated or described through the Manish, what are the advanced, you can say the features in Diode 5, fifth generation version of Diode? Next question.
Sir, it is to me or to
No. I am asking from Urvesh 5022. Urvesh, question number 2. What improvements were made in the Diode 5? Urvesh, are you in the session? Smith 5024.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What are the advantage
Sir, 1 minute.
improvements in the Diode 5?
Yes, sir. Just 1 second.
Yes.
Yes, sir. First of all, the roaming one. Diode 5 monitors wireless performance and can switch automatically to the strongest carrier signal. That is the first improvement. Then the touch screen. New diode has a touch screen that will likely boost driver productivity. Then
Okay.
the hardware improvement. First of all, it weighs 1.5 pounds, 1 GB flash memory, and SD card slot with 32 GB expandable memory and 1 gigahertz processor. And then the camera, the 3 megapixel camera for the new feature of proof of delivery feature. And the last is navigation. Lets UPS upload route information to a driver needs to go from site to site. All that are the improvements that were made in Diode 5, sir.
Okay. Any other addition? Jaideep 5030, Jaideep. Jaideep, are you in the session? Himja, what other addition?
So based on the video, we can say that customers were happy because they could the signature they used to do that was more clear, and they could write better over the diode because of the touchscreen facility that was provided. Along with that, the response was also very quick, as well as the size of the diode was half of the diode 4.
Previous version.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, sir. It made the drivers work more efficient as well, because it was very easy to handle, as well as they could work on it also very easily because of the reduced size, and because they could easily hold it in their hand even when they had to pick up the parcel. Even the barcode reader was better. Like one of the drivers shared in his experience that it was not just a laser beam, but it was a box type of laser with a bull's eye in the middle, and it had better performance of keys and scanner.
Good. Good. Okay. Next question. Abhishek 5044. Abhishek. Abhishek, are you in the session? Dhruti 5047. Karan 5050. Karan. Krupali 5054. Krupali. Krupali, are you in the session? Akshat 5055. Akshat. Turn on your audio. देखेंगे नेटवर्क इशू जो भी होता है. Turn on your audio. Akshat. No issue, Akshat. Turn on your audio. Good. 5060 Yash. Yash, are you in the session? Okay. Yash. Yes पे no आ गया है. Okay. Arnish 509.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Arnish. Good, Arnish. Yes. Attempt this question.
Yes. The packages are only handled twice by the humans, once at arrival and the another was at
Okay. Just a
departure.
minute. Just a minute. Just a minute,
Yes,
Arnish.
sir.
How
Yes,
many
sir.
of you are agree with this? It touches only 2 times. Just raise your hand. How many of you are agree? Akash, okay. Inja, just raise your hand if it is touches only 2 times. So remaining one, I will treat it as a you are not agree with it. Okay. So 5197, Krishna. Ernest, wait a minute. You can unmute yourself till now. I will come to you in further explanation.
Okay, sir.
5197, Krishna. Krishna, 5197, are you in the session? Okay. Which one? Hanisha, 5148. Hanisha? Hanisha, are you in the session? Hanisha? ओके मेरे लिए आसान है सिर्फ 8-9 लोग हैं जिनका अटेंडेंस डालना है ओके सो अर्निश now continue with your answer so remaining
Yes, sir.
members are agree with you it touches only 2 times good
Yes.
advantages of it
The rest procedure is automatic, and because it was very important that the whole process is automatic, and the UPS wants to remove the human error, and
okay
the packages are stored and they are whole around the miles of the like world port. It's Yeah.
Anyone else wants to add something into it? Yes, please, Manish. Yes.
Sir, no offense to Arnish or to his answer, but sir, as per video, in video it was said that the packages are handled only twice by the humans. But sir, in the various parts of video, it was seen that sir, jo thoda bahut, I mean, the minute settings of the things, that means the arranging in at a proper manner in conveyor belt, it was done by humans. Handling,
So,
that means picking up
yes,
and
no. In caution itself, what they are saying, once they reach world port. So in a world port, how many times it's touches by the humans? The caution is very specific. Clear? So in a world port, it touches only 2 times. When you are collecting the packets from the person, those who want to send it, so you receive that packet, then you collect and put those packets into a world port. Once you put to the conveyor belt on world port, rest all things done by automated. Next is required at the time of dispatch, where it is already contained in a particular container, which is having as per the sorting or a filtering. Based on it, it will be available at there only. In between the sorting and filtering, everything is done by through their own scanners, machines, automated system. So they filtered it. Are you ready, Manish?
yes, sir, because
It's not the question that's from picking to the delivery how many times it's touched. It is related to at a world port where you are filtering your packets. For example, you are putting the letter or any document, any packets into any speed post or a postal box. So you put it, somebody will come, they will collect, that person will take it to the post office. Am I right? A nearby post office. From nearby post office, they will reach that particular post to the NSH in an Indian postal system, that is called National Sorting Hub. So they will deposit or transfer that particular your packet to the National Sorting Hub. Once it reaches to the National Sorting Hub, how many times it touches? Where it is going to be filtered in India on the basis of PIN code. Am I right? On the basis of PIN code. They will only see the PIN code and they will put that particular packets into in that particular, you can say the box where you are sending it. For example, you want to send something to Jammu and Kashmir, and as per their own delivery module from Rajkot, they will not deliver directly to Jammu and Kashmir. What they will do? They will deliver to Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad, again, they will not deliver to Jammu Kashmir. They will deliver to Delhi. And then from Delhi, then they will reach to the Jammu and Kashmir. Are you getting my point? So from one place to other place sorting from Rajkot, it will filtered as an Ahmedabad consignment or a box or a packet, whatever it may be, you will call it. Are you getting my point? This filtering I am talking about, and they will only see the PIN code. And even I will share my recent experience. I opened one account, a joint account at Rajkot in SBI, State Bank of India. I requested them to put my permanent address, my hometown address, and corresponding address as my local address. Clear? Fortunately or unfortunately, by the typing mistakes of a clerk, they have taken my both the address, but unfortunately, in my corresponding local address, they put it PIN code same as my permanent address, hometown. So rest all things, Dr. Muklesh Kumar Tiwari, where I am residing it here in Neil City, house number, Rajkot, everything they have put it. Just PIN code they have put it my hometown address. Clear? Hometown PIN code. You will not believe my checkbook, my ATM, which they delivered, which they have to deliver to my local address, it reaches to my hometown. Since it was a village, so the post office people are very well aware about my name and all those things. So they delivered to my home, despite of everything is wrong other than my name. Are you getting my point? What I'm trying to make sense here, the filtration through the pin code. And since it is done by the humans, that's why it's mistaken. Or although it was from the SBI side, they have put it wrong pin code, but that's the way the things is filtered or delivered. So it reduced the errors, because almost 4 lakhs packages they are filtering per hour. And if it is done by the human, obviously you can assume how many mistakes might be possible. Any doubt in this answer? Manish, now I think things are clear to you as well.
Yes, sir. Actually, in that videos and these things, they take small shots and then they compile it, so I can see the workers working. But I was not aware that are out of world port.
Yes.
So I thought
So the caution is actually related to the world port only.
yes, sir.
Okay. Next one. Yes. Try to answer this.
Customers who need a rapid repair
What are you saying?
customers who need a rapid repair of their equipment.
Rapid
Repair.
Okay. What else? What else? Now I'm sharing this attendance form. Respond to it. So this will be our final attendance for the day, 9 pupil. Clear? I will take today attendance from this form. Yes, same time. What are end of runway facility? Who else want to speak about it?
Sir, may
Smith?
I?
Yeah, just a minute. Smith?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Yes, the end of runway service is for customers who need rapid repair of equipment.
Rapid repair of equipment.
Yes, sir.
Akshay?
Means,
Sorry, Akash?
Yes, sir. The end of runway
Yes.
facility is like something in which customers needs to send any parcel or courier or anything in urgency. Here by urgency, I can tell from the video that if one has to send something on the other day, then UPS can help. UPS can be a better option for them, as they can send the or book the parcel pickup from there, and the parcel should be dispatched to the adjacent airport site or adjacent hub by the 11 p.m. by night, and on the next day the parcel could reach to the
Okay. Yes, Akash. Thank you. Himja, is there any example other than UPS in our, you can say, the world where we interact? Is there any similar or a kind of a facility which you may come across?
Sir, speed post.
Yes, excellent. Speed post. Anybody is aware about the Amazon Prime services?
Yes, sir. They are quite like they deliver before the time, but still we cannot think of that as compared to this, because here it is within a day, and they
Yeah.
still take 3 to 4 days for Prime members, and who are non-Prime they take 5 or 6 days.
So it's not a matter of before the time or something else, they try to deliver at the earliest, quickly, as early as possible. That depend on the location. For example, you need something from Delhi to Mumbai. Since there is a good amount of traffic, so they can directly ship through the flight. Am I right? And it may be possible within a day as well they can deliver. Possibility I'm saying. But let's say somebody is in Somnath or Kutch area where they don't have that much of connectivity. Even trains are not that much frequent, or their speed is also not that much high. So obviously it will take even decent time, whatever it may be the speed you want to maintain. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that is the end of runway, whether it's a Tatkal booking or a current booking, speed post, Amazons. So end of runway, since you are technically very much aware from what are the mediums you are going to transport, am I right? Bookings, flights, arrangement. So you can aware your customer as well. For example, in Amazon, whenever you start buying a product, let's say at morning 9 o'clock, you start searching. At the bottom, it will also display if you book or buy this product before 10 or 12, that will be delivered within 24 hours based on your destination fitted in a app that Amazon's. For example, you have already stored your address, let's say a Rajkot, and something you are buying which is available in Maharashtra, Mumbai especially. So they know there is a regular flight, or they have a flight till Ahmedabad. From Ahmedabad to Rajkot, they have a daily booking. So they can easily send it. Are you getting my point? So this is all about the end of runway facility. Okay. So everybody has responded? Yes, everybody has responded to it. So now I'm closing the attendance as well. Thank you very much. So the 9 people are getting the attendance based on the interaction. I hope you can convince to your other friends, those who not to the friends, their mobiles especially, those who just try to join but not to participate. Class is for your participation, not for your mobile's performance. I'm right. मोबाइल से आपने ज्वाइन किया और आप चले गए, क्लास या अटेंडेंस उस चीज के लिए नहीं है. यू मस्ट बी रेडी टू बी इंटरैक्टिव, means you must be ready to unmute and turn on your video and have a conversation with the faculty and your other friends, so that we will learn. I hope things are clear and you will convey this message to your friends as well, those who are in this particular section. May I expect this kind of a behavior from you people, so your other friends also will be updated and they will behave in the proper manner, whatever is required standard as from the student. May I? Yes, thank you, Himza. Neha, 2 persons are agree with me. Good, Vishwa as well. So I'm not saying they are right or wrong, you just convince them. If you are in a session, wholeheartedly you need to participate, otherwise it's meaningless. And if you are coming only for the attendance, then I have to treat you in that way, not to get you the attendance through the mobile. You need to be in person, you have to be there to interact, to answer something. And that's the way we will try to strategize to take the attendance if we are coming across such kind of a situation. Thank you very much.